What's up, and welcome back to Vic's Sewing Corner. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a simple skirt pattern and draft it yourself. First, you're going to want to take your waist measurement, which is right above your belly button. Mine is about 26. Then you're going to want to take your hip measurements. Mine's about 32. And then you're going to want to take the measurement from your hip down to wherever you want it to stop, and I want mine to be ankle length. So that is about 32 inches. So now you're going to write out all your measurements. And then you're going to want to have the hip and the waist measurements. And because when you cut out your pattern, you're going to cut out two pieces, a front and a back. So 13 in the front and 13 in the back will make it 26 all together. And I'm using a knit fabric to do this. Now I'm just going to sketch out what my skirt's going to look like. Pretty much like that. And then I'll put waist on it. And this is going to be 26, 32. And then I'm just going to let it flare out. So we'll just approximate that to be about 36. So when you have all of that out, you're going to want to cut your fabric out two sides. So you're going to cut out two separate pieces and you're going to sew them together at the sides, and then you're going to want to hem the bottom and the top. Everything is done. The skirt should look like this, flared out at the bottom.